Hey, Imagination Rabbit team here. Just doing some updates to Nightmare Puppeteer. What you see here, it's not on Steam yet because I'm doing some updates, but I just want to show you a new thing I'm adding. So if we go into Nightmare Puppeteer, yeah, I've been doing my best. Nightmare Puppeteer is made to be a super fast, super easy full 3D animation with lip sync program. Um, Mostly to make disturbing and or funny stuff with. But this is just a new way to make your characters talk, and it's kind of a wizard kind of thing. So I'm just going to show you what it is. So it's this typewriter. So this already has some text that I put in here, and this was all done through this little interface with the shitty UI. That's a lot like I'm inspired by curve.fi shitty UIs. So I'm just going to go and run this to show you what it does, and then I'll come back and show you how you do it. So let's go, let's choose elevator. And yeah, so all this stuff that's going to be happening is automatic. I'm not going to press anything.
Hello there, ghost friend.
Hey, I'm busy right now, go away, potato.
Oh my, what has happened?
Help me.
Oh no. Hey, are you still with us? Hey, are you alive?
Get off me, bitch.
I'm changing, bitch.
So you can see the amazing stuff it does. So that was all automated using the typewriter. So I'm just going to show you how it works. And again, this is still experimental. So once I put it up, if anyone's even watching this, I know the internet's dead, or at least YouTube is, or whatever this is. If any living biological human or AI interacts with Nightmare Puppeteer and has some feedback, let me know through the Discord. Imagination Rabbit Discord. So let's clear this. Alright, so first what you do is you can choose voices. So these are the available voices. I'm just going to leave it there, or these are. And so this is where you actually type your dialogue in. And so, hello, my friend of friends. And so with each line, so this line's not added yet, we hit this button to add it. We have two actions that go with the line. So we can pick an action that happens before the line. So these are the ones we have here. So let's just go puke. And then this action runs after the line. So these are just really easy to add to prove that it is working. And then we can add a wait time that'll happen between when it goes to this line and before it's over. Before they start talking, sorry. So I'm going to go like that. So now we added this line, the 2-second wait. You don't have to care about this stuff. And you can have the same character talk multiple times in a row. You don't have to go back and forth. Hey, can you hear me? And let's just have this one do nothing but talk, right? So then we go to actor 2. Yeah, I can hear you, potato. So let's have a 4-second pause, and then let's have them puke, or maybe spit. Yeah, that's like a gunshot. Oops. So we want actor 2 to spit, and we can add that line, and then let's add one more. Oh wow, a gun. I'm scared. And so let's just have like a 1-second wait, and then what should he do? Or he or she or whatever. Let's have him fall down. Okay. So let's have him fall down. I can't believe you've fallen. Okay. And then before that, let's randomize their head. And then after the line, they're going to also fart. Why not? And then he's gonna say, or she, I love you, bitch. With 1 second. Also, I am in the state of loving you. Okay. Alright, so an important thing here, here's our text, is that these little checkboxes right here, if you do these, this will make it so no matter what, before the dialogue line is spoken, it will take the camera and try to frame it up on the actor's face. So I have it on for both of these. Otherwise, you can use the camera controls that are in these pop-ups. But yeah, so there we go. We made a little thing. And we're going to choose our voices. Maybe we'll go with a robot woman whisper for that one. And then I'm just going to make sure the voice volumes are up. Oh, that one was down. Okay. And so let's try it again with those, with that typewriter text.
Yeah.
Hello, my friend of friends. Hey, can you hear me?
I can hear you, potato.
Oh wow, a gun, I'm scared.
I can't believe you've fallen.
I love you, bitch.
Also, I am in the state of loving you.
So that's how it works. That last shot was black, so the camera must have got stuck behind something. I added code in there to try to fix it, but it doesn't do it every time. But I think that's a pretty fast and easy way to create weird dialogue animations. So as of right now, you can't edit these. You can just add to them. But yeah, you just clear them. They're pretty fast to write though, right? So yeah, so that's the typewriter. So I've been working on that. I'm making some other minor changes. I had to... Oh, wait. This is supposed to be disabled. Ah! I've disabled 3D model import in the newest build. And, yeah, I'm going to rework it. Probably use GLTF files instead of FBX. Because the importer is so much faster and easier. And has less errors or whatever. So, yeah, that's just what I'm doing. So expect to see that soon if you're one of the...